Hello guys, I just wanna share something kasi ito yung pinaka inspiration ko sa buong buhay ko. And hindi ko pwedeng palumpasin kasi proud mommy ako. Yun, FYI, I'm a mom of a 6-year-old baby girl. Her name is Zia. So, ngayong araw kasi nag-video call kami, medyo I realize na sobrang proud na proud ako kasi hindi ko alam na ina-idolize ako ng anak ko sa pagkanta. So, itong video na papakita ko sa inyo is very special para sa akin. Kasi bilang bonding ng isang ina at isang anak, kahit na malayo, still, nasusustain pa rin namin yung communication namin sa isa't isa. And isa pa doon, na-a-adapt niya yung mga hilig ko din. So, syempre, as a singer din, nakita ko sa anak ko yung potential na maging singer din siya. So, I am proud to show you guys yung pagko-coach ko sa anak ko, and sana ma-inspire kayo dito sa magiging video na to. So, papakita ko sa inyo after this video. Yun. So, yun lang naman. I just wanna share for today. So, I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much.
When you go to places to of me, places of me. A year has passed and I moved on. I admit you want no, please come back to me. Won't you come back to me? People come and go. Sometimes call me your favorite, one last time. I never get someone, no one like you. You were all I wanted, you were all I need. All I need. People come and go. Sometimes call me your favorite, one last time. 'Cause I have said all of my pride, accepting I love you and what if I miss you for the rest of my life? Where do I go from here?
Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Isa pa. Ooh, good job, love. Practice makes perfect. You did a good job, anak. Galing!